Okay, this is a review of the rear view mirror with Apple CarPlay and replacing the one I had just purchased. Set it up, took me about maybe 90 seconds to set it up. I hit reverse and now you can see the reverse. I'll open the garage door. The last one I tested was washed out. It was hard to see. It just wasn't bright enough, even as at its brightest setting. And you can see I was panicked when I leave my warehouse here. And okay, so no cars are coming. And you can see the wide view. And now we see how it looks in the daylight. And I'll close the garage door. There's a car coming. And I'll put it in drive. And try to, there we go. Garage door is closing. And you can see let's try the brightest setting. Okay, so this one you can see a lot better than my previous one. That's the rear view mirror. I have it set to have the Apple CarPlay on at the same time. And let's put maps on. And this is a lot clearer. It's still kind of washed out from the glare. The mirror's come through, but it's nowhere near as bad as the other mirror that I had. So we'll see how that works. Just take a short little drive here. Now I can still see it as a mirror. So it's still functioning as a complete mirror. And then this also comes on. So I can still see what's happening behind, and supposedly it's recording in the front too, because I have the camera over here. As I drive, it should be on continuous record. You can see the truck pulling in back, and the previous mirror was a little bit bigger and heavier, and it would, over time driving, the mirror would shift down, and I was always pushing it back up. I'm not sure if that'll happen on this one. This one's a bit lighter. I'm not sure what that thing is. Oh, okay. Well, that's the front camera and the rear camera. That's the whatever. Not even sure what that is. That still learning this thing. So that's the forward camera. That's the rear camera.
Okay.
So I'm going to try it with just the rear camera.
Okay.
And see how it looks. As soon as this car in front of me goes. Not quite the mirror setup that is the one I had in my Cadillac and my Buick and the Corvette, but because it's still washed out, see what happens if I turn it off. I've got a pretty good mirror over here if I turn it back on. So I think overall these lower priced mirrors, now without my glasses on, it's a lot better. So I think if I have it a little bit out of the sun, I think it's a lot better without the Apple CarPlay also on. And anyhow, I think it's a lot better than the one I had, but they're still not the same as the C8 Corvette or the other mirrors that I've had.